Welcome to HM General Knowledge. Which of the following oceans has the shape of the English alphabet S? Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The answer is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean has the shape of an English alphabet S. Indian Ocean has M shape. The Arctic Ocean has U shape. The Pacific Ocean is triangular in shape. The next question. The deepest ocean of the world is Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean with an average depth of 3,970 meters. Next to the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean has an average depth of 3,741 meters. The Atlantic Ocean has an average depth of 3,646 meters. Arctic Ocean has an average depth of 1,205 meters. The next question. El Nino is a warm ocean current, sea storm, tropical disturbance, another name of typhoon. The answer is a warm ocean current. El Nino occurs over Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Sea. The answer is Pacific Ocean. El Nino, Spanish name for the male child, initially referred to a weak, warm current appearing annually around Christmas time along the coast of Ecuador and Peru and lasting only a few weeks to a month or more. Every 3 to 7 years, an El Nino event may last for many months, having significant economic and atmospheric consequences worldwide. El Nino occurs over Pacific Ocean. El Nino is a southerly warm ocean current. The next question. The deepest surface depression on the earth is Kurill Trench, Mariana Trench, Tonga Kermatic Trench, Bentley Subplagical. The answer is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is found in Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench or Marianas Trench is the deepest part of the world oceans. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean to the east of Mariana Island. The trench is about 2,550 kilometers long but has an average width of only 69 kilometers. It reaches a maximum known depth of 10.994 km at the Challenger Deep. The next question. The largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest of the Earth oceanic divisions. The Pacific Ocean covers about 46% of the Earth's water surface. Other oceans coverage percentage of the Earth's water surface is the Atlantic Ocean covers 24%. Next to Atlantic Ocean is Indian Ocean, which covers 20%. The Arctic Ocean covers 4%. The Southern Ocean, it covers 6%. This ocean encircles Antarctica, sometimes considered as an extension of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. The next question. Tsunamis are caused by mixing of cold and warm currents, earthquakes, changes in sea level, volcanic eruptions. The answer is earthquake. Most tsunamis are caused by earthquakes generated in the subduction zone, an area where an oceanic plate is being forced down into the mantle by plate tectonic forces. Generally, tsunamis are ocean waves triggered by large earthquake that occurs near or under the ocean, volcanic eruptions, submarine landslide. The next question. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the earth on the moon, earth on the sun, sun and moon on the earth, moon on the earth. The answer is sun and moon on the earth. Tide generating forces TGF are a result of the gravitational attraction between the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon, and the centrifugal force due to the relative motions of the Moon around the Earth and the Earth around the Sun. The next question. Atoll is the kind of sun dune, lake, sandbar, island sea. The answer is island sea. Atoll is a coral island that encircles a lagoon partially or completely. It is formed when the island sinks below the sea and the barrier reef became an atoll enclosing an open lagoon. The next question. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the northeastern coast of Queensland, Australia, in the Coron Sea, in the western edge of the Pacific Ocean. It is the world's largest coral reef system, composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands stretching for over 2,300 kilometers over an area of approximately 3,44,400 square kilometers. The reef is located in the Coral Sea of the coast of Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from the outer space and is the world's biggest single structure made by living organisms. Australian World Heritage Places included it in its list in 2007. This reef structure is composed of and built by billions of tiny organisms known as coral polyps. The next question. Sea breeze is formed during daytime, nighttime, both seasonal. The answer is daytime. Sea breezes and all other winds blow from more atmospheric pressure to less atmospheric pressure. Water heats up and cools down slower than the land. During the day, the land is heated up and is less dense than the water, while at night the water is less dense than the land. The more denser it is, the more the atmospheric pressure there is. Therefore, sea breeze occur during the day but not at night. The next question. Ring of fire is found commonly in Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The answer is Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire is an area where a large number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. It has 452 volcanoes and is home to over 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. The Ring of Fire is also known as the Pacific Ring of Fire, the Rim of Fire, the Girdle of Fire, or the Circum-Pacific Belt. The next question. Which from the following is a landlocked sea? Timor Sea, Arafura Sea, Greenland, Aral Sea. The answer is Aral Sea. The Aral Sea is a landlocked sea located between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. When a sea has no access to the ocean, then it is known as a landlocked sea. It is basically an endohelic lake, that is, it retains water and does not allow it to flow out into the water bodies like a river or an ocean. The other landlocked seas are Caspian Sea, Dead Sea, Great Salt Lake, Salton Sea, and Sea of Galilee. The next question. The deepest trench of the Indian Ocean is Java Trench, Aleutian Trench, Atacama Trench, Desert Trench. The answer is Java Trench. The Java Trench, also called as Sunda Double Trench, it is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. It is located in the northeastern Indian Ocean with a length of 3,200 kilometers. The trench is considered to be part of the Pacific Ring of Fire as well as one of the ring of oceanic trenches around the northern edges of the Australian plate. The Peru Child Trench, also known as Atacama Trench, is an oceanic trench in the eastern Pacific Ocean. The Aleutian Trench is an oceanic trench along a convergent plate boundary which runs along the southern coastline of Alaska and the Aleutian Island. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share the video to the people who are studying for competitive exam. Thank you.